Hi friends, now I will give continuing my AngularJS examples and now I will give the how to use input decorator in Angular. So as per the definition, input is a decorator to mark a property as input. At the rate input is used to define an input property to achieve component property binding. Input decorator used to pass data from parent to child component. The component property should be annotated with at the rate input decorator to act as input property. So that is the definition for input. So this is now I'm going to create a component to accept as input as a student and display the same output. So at present, if the id so the at present, so it is going to display the whole data in in the in the app component. Suppose if in future if anyone wants to use the same data in their component, they have to write the same code in again. So instead of repeating same code, if you create a component, so they can reuse it. That is the main purpose here. So I'm going to create a component to display the students information exactly same. So let me go and create a component. So new file student dot component dot yes. So this is my student component. Let me grab the syntax from here. I then so I have created the component empty component. So I have created name as the student details. Let me update this one also. So this is my student. Let me import to app module. Now my component is ready to use. So it has the I have created HTML also template also for that, and my template is same. So my template is same. So there is no change in my HTML template HTML. Now I will go for so now I will create an input to decorator. Input, the name is student. So we need to take that. This is any. So this is my input. I have created an input decorator here. So this component is now ready to take student information as an input parameter. So the selector is this one. So when whoever is wants to use this component, so it has the input parameter as a student, so they can pass this information. So now my component is ready. Let me go and use it in my app component. So first I need to import it. Think this may not required. I will come back this again because there's no required. Now in my app component HTML, here I can use that. So where is my, this is my selector. So I have used to, I have created a component called student. This is student details component. So I have used my app component HTML. Here I am used to selection tag selector. Instead of writing instead of writing instead of writing I used attribute based declaration instead of writing directly. So if you see, I have used tr itself. I am passing my details. So I have moved all HTML to separate component. I can reuse this component when we want. So this is how we can use to component with input decorative. So here I would like to mention that suppose if anyone wants to use component inside the table, so there is a issue called we can't directly add any tags between any other tags other than table related. Suppose in tr I can only add td inside tr. I can't add any other elements. So in that case, if you wanted to use component as a separate instead of attribute based, so it is going to break. So for that to resolve that, I have used to attribute based declaration in components. So this is one type of way we can call. So please bear in mind. I hope you understand how to use component and how to pass the input, how to create decoratives, input decoratives, how to pass the values to that. So my next uh, video, I'm going to explain how to pass output parameters from the component. Thank you. Please keep watch my videos.